in 3 months. So if you make 37.5, you just look for a nearby URA office, you register.
In 3 months?
If it's a new business or old business, whenever you see you're clocking 37.5, look for the man and register, because it's going to come for you.
How will he know that I have made this money?
Of course, now there are mechanisms. As I've told you, we have withholding tax that costs 6%. Okay. If we will report you that we have someone who is not compliant.
So they have quite a big role to play when it comes to understanding who is using this amount of money, who is spending this. So the tax man is always up and down.
He's always up and down. He's always up and down, looking for always.
Okay.
So any national, regional, local or public authority engaged in business activities is also supposed to register. Okay. However, if you miss out on the 37.5, you can, if a year clocks and you've made 150, supposed to have registered.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you look for the tax man and register.
When you make your 150 million in a year.
Yeah, you have to register. And nowadays they have started involuntary registration. They look in your return and you are that. Register you there.
But now let's say, for example, we have money lenders. I don't think these money lenders have registered anywhere.
Those are financial services.
Financial services. So for them, they are not taxed. Okay. But they get a lot of money.
Yeah.
Because I'm very sure a money lender can get over 200 million in a year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, the importance of tax is resource distribution and developing the economy. Some money lenders do that because they lend you money, then you put in your businesses, and the same applies to SACCOs. Their income is exempt. Okay. Yeah. So, but if there is a pain, you can always go right to Parliament, and then they look in your proposal.
Okay.
Because those proposals are always there. They share them with the accountants like 8 months before they are passed. So we are always in the know of what change is coming.
Okay.
Yeah. So people will ask, what happens when we fail to register? Knowingly, if you knowingly fail to register, there are fines up to 3 million or imprisonment for 6 years.
When you don't register for that?
When you knowingly fail to register. Okay?
Yeah.
Your fines up to 3 million or imprisonment. Otherwise, 1 million or imprisonment for up to 2 years. And the penalty tax of double the VAT payable during the unregistered period.
Okay.
Yeah. Then these are important slides. So then, yeah, since we are talking over taxes, and for people who are going to supply oil companies, oil and gas companies, we have a special tax regime called deemed VAT. So it is, whenever you supply them, it is deemed as if VAT is paid. Okay? They don't give you that money for the VAT amount.
Yeah.
Because it's like deemed as paid. So it is the only special thing with the taxes in oil and gas. Okay? So when you supply them, be in the know. Yeah. So then we have penalties for tax non-compliance. These ones I've talked about them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then I have a simple illustration. I don't know if